Hello everyone. Let's continue chapter number 9, linear equations in one variable. In our previous class we have learned what is linear equation and how to solve it by trial and error method and some more methods. So today I'm sharing with you the most important method, that is the transposition method, and mainly we will use this method to solve the equations. So what we have to do in this process, a term is taken from one side to other, so its sign will change. Some of the question you have already done based on this, but now we are learning in detail. So what is mean actually whenever we shift one term from one side to another side, and the sides are known as LHS to RHS, left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side. So its sign will become change. How it become change? Plus becomes minus and minus become plus, multiply become divide and divide become multiply. Okay. So multiply become divide and divide become multiply. It means opposite sign we have to do. So let's have a look to the example. Like this is the question, 5x minus 6 equals to 4x minus 2. So first step to keep the like terms together. Here 4x is to be shift this side. So 4x is with positive sign. So it become negative. Here you can see. So like I am solving here. 5x minus, let me check out the question first. 5x minus 6, 4x minus 2. 5x minus 6 equals to 4x minus 2. This is our question. Now we know it very well that 5x and 6 can't be solved because one is in variable and one is without variable. So what we have to do? We have to shift this 4x to this side, and if it is plus sign it become minus. So 5x remain as it is here, and this will become negative 4x equals to negative 2 is already on the right side, let it be here, and negative 6 when you shift this side it will become positive 6. So you can see that it is negative 6, here it is positive 6. So when we are changing the position, we are shifting from one side to another, its sign will change. Now 5x minus 4x is only x, and 6 minus 2 is 4. It means positive 4 is the value of the variable, and whatever is the value of the variable, that is the solution of the equation. Here checking is also there of the question, but we have deleted that topic, checking. Only solutions we have to do. I hope the solution is clear. So here some of the question. Let's discuss one by one, at least each type. These question you need to do as worksheet in your homework copy. So like question number 2, if I talk x plus 3 equals to minus 2. So we know it very well that positive 3 will be goes to other side, it become negative 3. This positive 3 we have shifted this side, negative 3, and negative 2 negative 3 will give us negative 5. Always try to keep the variable to the left side. Now question number 5th. Question number 5th is 3x minus 5 equals to 13. So negative 5 when it shift to this side it will become positive 5. So 13 plus 5 is 18. Now 3x equals to 18. What is the sign in between 3x? 3x means 3 into x equals to 18. So if it is in multiply it goes in divide. So x equals to 18 upon 3. 3 6 is 18. X equals to 6. So it's very clear that one by one we have to shift the term. Please don't shift the 3 first because it is stronger than the 5 because it is the variable term. So first negative 5 will become positive 5 and then 3 will come and divide. So solve stepwise. Now question number 9th. In question number 9th, as we have learned one of the example, this x will come this side and negative 3 will become positive 3. As you can see, negative 3 is positive 3 and this x become minus x. So 5x minus x is 4x and 17 plus 3 is 20. Now 4 comes in divide. So 20 upon 4 is 5. I hope shifting, transposition. Now one of the question based on fractions. Very important. In fraction, let's see the question first. Look at this question. So here one of the term is with variable. So 2x minus 1 by 2 equals to 3. So we know it very well that this number we have to shift to other side because numerical term will be here. So 2x remain here, 3 will be there, and negative 1 by 2 will become positive 1 by 2 on other side. Now 2x remain here. Take 2 as the LCM because fraction, addition and subtraction can only be solved by taking the LCM. So 2 3s are 6 and 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Now this 2 is in multiply, so it goes in divide. So x equal to 7 upon 4 because it also come in divide. So 2 2s are 4. So the value of x is 7 by 4. Here the complete solution you can observe. Let's move to the question number 14th. Again fractional form. So here both are x terms. So this time x by 3 will become this side and get minus x by 3. Take the LCM. After solving we will get x equals to 6. Now very important question in which we have to open the bracket. Question number 18. In this question we know it very well. If brackets are given, first we have to solve bracket because BODMAS rule will be followed here. So according to BODMAS, this 16 will be solved and 16 is getting multiplied by both the number that are inside. So 16 3s are 48x and 16 5s are 80, negative 80. In the same way we have to open this. 10 4s are 40x and minus minus become plus, 10 8s are 80. Now after solving this we have to combine the like terms, only the x term. So 48x or minus 40x we have written, negative 80 or plus 80 we have written here. Negative 80 plus 80 becomes 0, so we have cancel out them. So this term will become 0, only 48x minus 40x we will get 8x equals to 40. So x equals to 40 upon 8, 8 5s are 45. So the value of the variable is 5. I hope the solution is clear. So you all need to go through this worksheet, solve each and every question which is given in the worksheet in your maths notebook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.